Exercise 28. The young woman walked from room to room of the house full stop. It was not a very large house semicolon. It was, indeed, a house like so many others up and down the country full stop. It had an 5 rooms, 2 down with 3 bedrooms above full stop. It had electric fires in all the bedrooms and an electric water heating system full stop. New paragraph. The fact that her house was just like thousands of other small houses did not influence the judgment of the young woman at all. Full stop. In one way, it was quite different from all the other houses, for it was hers. Full stop. It was her own house to live in and to make comfortable and beautiful. Full stop. It was her own house, and she had made up her mind to live happily in it and to make all who lived in it happy as well. Full stop. New paragraph. Her mind was serious as she moved about, but her heart was light. Full stop. Inverted commas begin. I am a married woman now, inverted commas close. She thought. Full stop. Inverted commas begin. I am a married woman with all the responsibility that goes with marriage, but how happy I am, sign of exclamation, inverted commas close. New paragraph. And of course, she ought to have been happy. Full stop. Her name was Penny. Full stop. 2 weeks before she had been Penny Wells Calhoun. Now she was Penny Reed, and had been married for 2 weeks. Full stop. Only the day before she had returned from the seaside to begin her life in her new home. Full stop. New paragraph. The house itself was not new, but it was quite modern, and she had spent much time during the last few weeks buying materials and making up her mind about colors. Full stop. The paint work she had kept light in color, but in each room she had employed a different basic color. Full stop. One room, for example, was light blue, while another was done in a very light golden color. Full stop. The paint in the sitting room and in the best bedroom was, however, white. Full stop. It was all very pleasing, even to the eye of a person not particularly interested, and to Penny it was just wonderful. Full stop. New paragraph. She had received many presents, for she was a girl with an agreeable nature and many friends, and those presents she was now putting out, taking care that each thing should go in the best possible place for it. Full stop. She had received 6 pictures, and each picture had to be placed in such a way that it showed to the best advantage. Full stop. She did not want a picture where so little light fell on it that it could not be seen clearly, semicolon, but On the other hand, she did not want the full light to fall on it in such a way that no one could see the picture. Full stop. Every detail was important to Penny as she carried on with her happy work, and she did everything with loving care. Full stop. New paragraph. Before her work had come to an end, however, she had to leave it and to think of food. Full stop. Her special friend was calling on her that afternoon. Full stop. It would be the first time in her life that she had had a friend call on her in her own home, and it was quite necessary that everything should be perfect. Full stop. She had been trained in the arts of housekeeping, and it was not long before all sorts of good things were ready. Full stop. To set the table for two was a small matter, but even that seemed to take a long time, so carefully was it done. Full stop. Then Penny had to change her dress. Full stop. The dress she had on was pleasing enough, but it was not new. Full stop. Her friend had already seen it. Full stop. Penny believed that as a married woman she ought to put on a new dress so that she would look just as different in the eyes of her friend as she was feeling in her own heart. Full stop.